Hi, I'm voice coach Jessica Neighbor, and thank you for looking at my new training course, Total Impact. This will help your public speaking skills. And I believe that anyone who speaks in public is technically a public speaker. We're talking on more platforms more than ever, be it YouTube, social media, Zoom, virtual meetings, in person meetings, on the phone. And yet, our own vocal training hasn't kept up with all of these new platforms where we're communicating all the time. So, I want to give you that vocal support so that you can speak more powerfully, so that you can feel more confident when you have to present, and so that you feel like you're your most authentic self. So, this is not a one size fits all approach. This is a live training where we are working with each of you as individuals so that you can find your own particular presentation style. So, our next training begins on February 16th. You can sign up here with this button, and here is what you're going to learn in our live training sessions. So, because we're all busy adults, we're going to be meeting every other week on Thursdays, and each of your live workshops covers a different awesome skill that you absolutely need. These are skills that I work with my VIP public speakers who give keynote presentations and TED Talks, but they're also for people who just need everyday strategies for how to communicate more clearly. You're going to learn how to speak more powerfully, increase your confidence, decrease your anxiety, resolve speech issues that you may not even know you have, things like filler words, upspeak, gravel tone. You'll learn how to fully support and maintain your voice so that you never suffer from vocal injury or vocal fatigue. You'll learn how to engage your audience and keep them engaged because, my goodness, do you know that our average attention span these days is 7 seconds, and it's even shorter online? So we've got to get creative with how we hold our people's attention. You'll learn how to prepare for a speech, how to use your full body, and you'll get lots and lots of hands-on practice giving different mock presentations, scripts, all sorts of ways so that we can just get you feeling like you have absolutely mastered this new skill set for yourself. Also, when you sign up, you are going to get 3 bonus trainings to jump right into your public speaking skills. You're going to get an in depth intake session and workshop where you get very clear about what your specific goals are. You're also going to get personal coaching feedback where you do a little reading, presenting sample, and you get some feedback from me so you know exactly what to focus on. And you can get my course that's very popular called Bust Your Zoom Gloom to help you when you're ever feeling the Zoom gloom meeting. So we'll have some fun strategies. Again, my name is Jessica Neighbor, and it is my purpose and my pleasure to work with public speakers to just find creative and authentic ways for you to more fully communicate. You don't only have to take my word for it. You can read lots of testimonials from other students just like you who needed some support to communicate more and they got it and they're feeling so much better about how they can communicate. And who this course is for? Well, that's actually a little bit of a longer answer. It's for anyone who is a focused professional who wants to learn how to improve these skills. Also, for you entrepreneurs, solopreneurs who want to achieve some goals, we can get you going with your clients and coworkers. For you creative extroverts who are perhaps already out there on YouTube or in person, but know that you've got something working but you don't know exactly what your playbook is, I'm going to spell that out for you exactly. And for you thoughtful introverts who maybe, aren't a natural fit for speaking in public, but know that you need to do that at certain points, it's sort of unavoidable. We're going to teach you a method that is going to match your style. So we don't all have to be shouting at the top of our lungs and waving our hands crazy to get people's attention. We're going to find the style and the method that best suits you. And we're going to do it together in our live training workshops. So I do hope that you can join me. Again, this next training starts on February 16th. Sign up soon to get those bonuses. And if you have any more questions, reach out to me. I'm more than happy to chat with you so you can join my course.